I am so sorry. I was busy editing things. I got completely distracted. And here we are. Oops. My bad. Can you see I'm like completely unprepared? But it's okay. Let's do this thing. How's everyone doing? I'm so sorry. Yeah. Late. Disgusting. Not mad. Just completely disappointed. How's everyone doing today? There we go. Yeah, let's see if I can be quick six with this. I don't know if I can be, but we're gonna try. Let's do this thing. What's up, Andre and Nomad? Hi. Oh, Robbie's back. There's an easy way to do this. Ta-da! Problem solved. Andre, how you doing? Nomad, hi. Are we ready for this thing? I cannot believe how late I am. I apologize, guys. I sincerely apologize. Yeah. Got it. Hey, Trade Addict, what's up? If we work slowly. What's up, Dom? Am I ready to short? Hey, Solly, how you doing? How are you? Talk. What time do you call this? Late. I'm sorry. I'm aware that I messed up. Don't hate me. Don't hate me. I made a mistake. I was banning freaky voice on your chat. You were still in bed. I saw that. I did have a really good freaking giggle at that actually when I saw that. But also I was not in bed. I was busy editing and I got completely distracted. Jackie, how you doing? I wanted to do one last thing. What I wanted to do. Okay. Let's do this. Let's quickly go through everything. So first things first, that was yesterday's midnight. So that's fine. So you took out all of these lows and then went back up. Awesome sauce. Something was in my way. Okay. New daily opening gap. Well, not really an opening gap, hey. There's a new daily opening. Mark it out like so. Awesome. So there's the new daily opening. That was yesterday's new daily opening. Midnight. Awesome. Okie dokie. Last thing is just to mark out the highs and lows. No, New York high was taken. New York low is right here. Awesome. That was taken regardless, so that's fine. Asia low right over here. Okay, and London is basically started now. Cool. Done, and done. Let's do a quick top to bottom analysis as well. Don't think we're gonna get something right off the bat. That being said, I have done that before, but let's check the daily. Yay! Yeah, yesterday we finally had a bit of bears coming to play. A little bit. Not like the most exquisite amount, but something's better than nothing. I mean, that's a huge wick, but then it looks like it was just kind of rebalancing this candle, which means we could potentially be going back up again today. Let's see if we get a continuation to the bear side, if this is finally the shift back down, or if we're going back up again. Still. 4 hour market is still choppy. No. Let's be positive, Andre. Let's be positive. We've got this. Okay, 4 hour looks like so. Guys, seriously, I got so distracted I didn't even make myself tea. So if I like disappear, it's because I'm gonna go make myself tea. Let's see here. Nothing like insane. 1 hour. Just all the, well. Oh wait, here's an inverse. It's already tapped into it though. Now we headed back up on the 1 hour. Here's a little bit of a bearish fair value gap up above at 390. Ooh, a wickless at 747. Maybe we're gonna tap back into. Let's see what happens at 390. If we're gonna tap back into it and then proceed back down, or if we're just gonna keep going up. 15 minutes. He tapped into that order block. We still have, yeah, 390, 400 zone. We have this fair value gap. Let's check the 5 minute. What's up, Neil? How are we doing? Passed my Apex 50k yesterday, but until I move to new house, I'll just keep it afloat. Oh, nice, Andre. I mean, why not, right? Got that night owl in me. There we go. That was messing with the Wi-Fi a little bit. Wickless up there on the 5 minute. 390, 340. Okay, so it's just above. Cool. And 1 minute. Let's do this thing. Right. Let's do this. Let's put up all of our things back up. We've got this. Okay, what did I miss? 3 minutes. Where's my girl Otiana? Otiana's not here yet, which is crazy. Solly saying morning to everyone. Wow, he's so polite. 12:02 AM to be exact. Eddie, why are you awake? You look like the golf teacher I wish I had. Thank you, I appreciate that. Eddie on the 9 shift, are you not tired? Yeah, no, that's rude. That's ridiculous. I don't think I'd ever be able to do that, to be fair. 304. Okay, so let's do a quick little zoom in, and what have we got? So here's the 3 AM open. Why is Wi-Fi being funny today? We're in the reversal. I slept during the day. Gonna get started working on my indicators. Nice. Okay. Hey Calvin, how are we doing? Aw, thanks Dom, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I'll have to put my headband back on now. because as you can see, my glasses keep moving and it drives me crazy. $306, okay. Everything's back up. Yeah, everything's back up. So we are ready to go. Okay, I know Dom, you're looking for shorts. What's everyone else thinking for today? Long, short, sideways, up, down, yes, no, maybe. A little bit of everything. Solid rejection off of there, but can never always trust London. So we are here now, that's fine. Do I trade gold as well? Unfortunately not, / not yet. I would be keen on gold, just right now. Yeah. Otiana will be late today. I dropped in last night too. Hopefully she'll be resting today. That's what I wanted to do. It's what I forgot to do earlier. That was gonna bug me. What I forgot to do earlier?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Blue line or better bob level. Good morning, yes, for short all day. We loaded up yesterday. Obito also says he can't see shorts. It's coming. Okay. Do you know what scares me? And it scares me a lot. When we all agree with one another. I feel like when we all agree with one another, the market goes in the opposite direction of what we all think. So let's see, could maybe spike up one last time. There's a little bit of buyer pressure going on over here, but clearly they aren't quite winning. So Neil is looking for longs in New York. Okay, never mind. In New York, never mind. Oh, could that be a friend? Idiot, lucky mate. You see some serious inflation in your time. Cool. Did you trade New York PM session? We had a very nice rally up at 1.26. Maybe we can start analyzing a PM2 if we don't execute. I mean, I did. I don't mean to brag, but I went up $4 because I had a break-even trade. Like I said, I don't mean to brag or anything. I don't want to, you know. PB says that I think we're eyeing all-time highs again. Okay, never mind. Here's someone who's not on the shorty short. Maybe that's it. Where? The market makers are covering tomorrow and another day. What do you mean? What do you mean? Okay, wait, guys, I'm gonna be right back. Like I said, I was in such a zone. Let's call it that. I was in such a zone that I didn't even make myself tea, which is like diabolical. Can't believe it. That is just like a no-no. Oh, they're covering their short calls. Got it. $309. Let's see what we get. I mean, it's been 9 minutes. We have moved a grand total of, well, a little bit more now, but 20 points basically. It's not great. It's gonna go short. It'll hold for 3 days. Did Perry get his breakfast? Always. And he got his sweeties. And he went for a walk this morning. He's spoiled. Now he's sleeping. Uh, 29480 looks like a good target later today. Suspicious equal highs. And Manola's back. Then for the benefit of many. Maybe you miss. Okay. I am not dealing with this today. I am very much not dealing with this today. Mr. 1K, how you doing? Me, Calvin, where am I at? I'm in South Africa. Yeah. I am in SA. Sure, sellers have come in hot and heavy now. A bit of rejection off of that zone. 1, 2. Shoot. Not quite what I would call an A+ setup, but it's not terrible. Do you think he does not want to give me my payout? Another TP edge, then goes break even. No ways, OTT. What the heck, man? Are you serious? Follow the trend as it's your friend. True. True. That is very, very true. Trend is friend until it's not. To be fair, Asia has been trending buy side. Just saying. Daily still trending buy side. So just took out the low. So we did have a little bit of a change of character and break of I can't call this a proper break of structure, that just wicked out. So I'm just looking at this and contemplating purely because of the fact that this is a B setup. This is definitely not an A+ setup for me at all. The pain. Maybe I'll be looking for a long at 285. So it's close to there. Then we'll get another trade during line. And yeah, OTT, you got this. Also, everyone was asking for Otiana, by the way. So I'm guessing everyone is glad to have you back. People want Otiana more than they want Maya. Good. Abito, I know, I was just thinking that. I'm looking at this going, oh. 'Tis maybe a good thing I did not go and do that. Watch it now go down to TP. But this would have had me not too impressed. I still think it wants to go up a little bit higher, especially on ES. Let's see how we react here. I mean, a tiny bit, not a... Okay, cool. Neil, thank you for asking that question. I was also a little bit confused, but that's fine. I'm just looking to pass these next gen accounts this season. I do not understand how you trade. I'm not saying that's a bad thing, you know, not everyone has to understand how you trade. If it works for you, awesome sauce, but I think maybe you're gonna have to just elaborate a little bit more. Never mind, just past 2 to go. Hey, Shaggy, awesome. So that, yes, would have been a stop loss. So I'm glad I did listen to myself there for a little bit. Hopefully this is not sideways today. Please don't be sideways today. Please don't be sideways today. And back up we go. Time frame. No, Neil, no. I knew you were asking time frame. But when I started trading and people were like, this and this and this, and I was like, why are you swearing at me? And then I realized, I was like, oh, never mind. Let's see. I mean, a tiny bit of an SMT was formed. Tiny bit. Kind of looks a bit like a double bottom, actually, to be fair. Let's see what we get if it's just going to be messing around in this channel. Watch the drop, okay? Watching. Waiting. Okay, and you said watch the drop now, which means the drop should happen now, right? So let's see if this drops now. And... let's see, it looks like it's about to break above. Just because I said that, it might drop down. Struggling to break above that volume imbalance on ES. If it does though, NQ could be going a little bit higher. Let's see, still respecting that volume imbalance. It's fighting it though. A sharpening, you think we retest the high? It might hold or not. That's the thing with trading, it's all about timing. No one is ever incorrect with regards to it's either going to go up or going to go down. You're never incorrect. It's just about the timing of it's going to go up or it's going to go down. And as well as how far up or down you think it's going to go. Right? Because I've had some people say, oh look, but it went down and it's one candle. I'm like, but it went down like half a point. I don't know if that counts. To some people that might count. You're correct. What do you mean you're correct? It's going up. Arthur, this is what I'm confused about. That's pushing up. It's not dropping. Just trade opposite of what you plan, I guess. Silver Edge, you know what? Yeah. Ah, there we go. There we go, Arthur. Okay. Now it's dropping. We scalp 0.5 points with 50 contracts over here. I knew it, Solly. I knew that's how you were making all your money. Is it Ville? How you doing? Short scalp opportunity. Let's see how far this drops, potentially. If this is a situation of it's just going to be going down like this, then that won't work, but... okay, let's see what we get here. So you went long on the dip in the point of interest for you. Okay, Dev, let's see how it works. It is in the higher low. I'm going to break to lower low. So you think this is going to very slowly start trending down like so, right? Hold the bounce for 2 minutes and shorted another 1,000. We're all here just having debates. Love it. See how this goes. Let me see if I understand this correctly, Arthur. For you, a channel low-key looks... kind of like that, right? And it will be going... that's not what... up. Down. Back up, not quite taking out the high. Down. Back up, taking out the high. Down. Is that what you are kind of talking about when you're talking about a channel, right? That's low-key what I'm understanding when you're talking about a channel. Which makes me think that maybe I'm definitely not understanding that correctly. Little duck. Little duck. We full port 15 contracts across 20 accounts around these parts, partner. Oh, thank you. I'm just natural, but I can be wrong. Yeah, you know what? When it comes to trading, anyone can be wrong, right? I think that's trading. There's not much more to it. Some days you're gonna like hit the nail on the head, and other days you're gonna be so far off that you question all your life choices. No, it doesn't, Silver Age. I mean, I could be trading the ES if I wanted to. How many points is my stop loss generally? You do like 15 points? Again, it depends on the range. So like, let's say for example, let's use this one, right? How big is this? Yeah, this is actually like a 10-point stop. And then other days it could be a 20 to 30-point stop. So it depends on the volatility of the market. I'm not sure what I do. No, I do the fib when I know it's the correct market conditions, which right now it's not. It's why I tend to be hands off for the first like half an hour to get confirmation of what the market's going to be looking like. Like yesterday, actually, London wasn't actually the worst day for the fib. I just missed a bunch of them. London, I mean New York yesterday was not a good day for the fib. It just kept running away. And now we're stuck on open. Literally stuck on open. 323. Hey, T-King, how you doing? I still think this is gonna want to peak a little bit higher on ES. Maybe just go up, grab. Ooh, whoopsies. 439. And then go down. Like I said, it's just respecting, you can even see here. It's just respecting this volume imbalance on ES. But it does keep retesting it. So either it's gonna just... the buyers are gonna give up and they're gonna respect it and it's gonna go back down. Or the buyers are gonna win. And then yes, sells will be in play. Let's see, but it's respecting the heck out of that volume imbalance right now on ES. So watching there. Still just gonna watch this 3 AM open range as well. 325, oh my goodness, this is just going sideways. Check what TMP said. TMP was keen on a buy here. Stop loss at the bottom, entry over here. TP1, TP2. Let's see if it works out. DB1 up by Bob level. Just bear that in mind. And stop loss basically at the wickless candle. Gonna be watching that, but the TMP indicator says the buyers are in play. Don't watch the... Yes, watch the ES. ES and NQ work together. Here we go, 327, and we're still kind of stuck in this range. Guys, at this point, I think I can... let's get a 360. Absolutely not. Don't be weird. 327, okay. I'm in desperate need of tea. So I will be right back. Let's see, maybe when I'm gone, it will start to make a decision and break either up or down. Let's see, but I'm gonna go make myself some tea. I'll be right back, guys. Keep an eye out on this. Looks like we might start breaking above. Yeah, Neil, 100%. Still not breaking, still stuck at that 437 level. On ES, talking about ES though. Hey, there we go, a little bit of a break. Let's see if it's a body break. Or if it's just gonna be a wick again. Potentially a wick. Neil, I'm pretty sure I've asked you this. I can't remember. Do you only trade New York or do you trade London as well? Sorry if I've asked you this already and you have answered. I apologize. For 20 seconds for me to confirm that, Dom. Let's see. 16, I want that body to have broken above that 437. Oh. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Body did not break above. Okay. Don't have that confirmation for buys yet on ES. We're going back up today after a dip. Cheeky, you know what? I actually agree with you on that one. Only trade London if I get a breaker set up. High low. If not, I wait for New York. Okay, cool. T-King, so TMP is Debbie's indicator. That's basically what that is. Still struggling to break. Okay. Hey, Pipstar, what's up, guys? Give me like, what, not even 5 minutes? I'm gonna go make some, wait, it's nearly the, every time I want to go and make myself tea, something happens. Like it's nearly the new half an hour candle. The new 30-minute candle. Like this is the new 30-minute candle. Let's see if it does give us anything. If not, it'll be fine for me to go for like 5 minutes. We might not get anything super juicy. Or I will leave and the movement will actually start happening, in which case, you're welcome. Bouncing off the 200 days, I should go up, bullish above 200. What's up, Robert? Should I do, screw it, I'm gonna do a poll because we are a tad bit divided in thoughts today. Yeah, let's see. Where's sideways? Oh, I didn't add sideways as an option, Debbie, sorry. You thinking sideways? Dag nabbit. Okay, wait, the body has broken above that volume imbalance on ES. Okay, yeah, but not much else has happened. Let me go grab tea. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, what have we got? Let's see. So, first things first. It's nice to have the options. If your fish was having coffee once, you would find any milk, the other one said. And here is. Wow. What's up, Nintendo? How are we doing? Have fun. Okay. Cheers. Cheers. Cheerio. Here we go. Here's the buy side. Okay. Where's that buying pressure I was kind of waiting for once it broke that volume imbalance over there? Yeah. No. Not great. Oh, I see we are at a bit of a divide on thoughts of what's gonna happen today, but that's okay. You saw... Has it? I was like, heavens. I mean, I was up $4 yesterday. Like I said, I don't mean to brag or anything. But I was up $4 yesterday. But for anyone that's just hopped on, what's up?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
I am trying to take more trades. Let's see what it does when it taps, especially back up here. That 340 level. Okay, let's get a little bit of confirmation that we're good to go. Here we go. This could be it. That damn $4. There we go. Okay, now for the retest slightly. I still see it wanting to go a little bit higher on ES. This could be a little bit of a retracement though. Let's see. Let's see about this here. Basically back at entry. Hasn't hit TP1 yet. Hey Henrik, what's up? You're looking for the retracement on 240. And then the shorts will be valid. I was being a little bit of a chop on that one. That wasn't accurate. Okay. Let's get some confirmation from this. I got 2. Wow, yeah. That's very much a B setup. And it's a 2 situation. Still going up higher. I still think I might want to tap back in to the bob level before. If it is gonna go down, it's most likely gonna want to tap back up into this 335 level. Oh, there we go. Let's see here what happens. If this does go back up. If it does, I might be a little bit salty because I was talking about this trade. Let's see. Okay, I probably would have gone break even now if I'm being honest. This is gonna make me mad. There we go. And definitely break even, maybe move to midpoint. Watch it now go to TP and boom, TP. Mother fluffer. Okay. Cool. Hold it, should have taken it. Oh well. Robert, my TP would have been that 335 level right there. That literally would have been a perfect trade. Like I said, it was a bit of a B setup, but I don't think we're gonna get lots of A's today. Why didn't you scalp it? It was obvious. What was obvious, Arthur? Because you've been saying short the whole time. Oh, it's the dust. Oh, close. Close, close, close. Okay, just off of there. Awesome. Let's see what we get. Debbie, you're still in a trade, hey? Where's your TP at? Is it at the highs? Here we go. Now we're moving. Marna. $342. Here we go. Yeah, you know when you just have to stop yourself from being sassy. You have to stop yourself from being sassy and calling people out. That's where I'm at right now. I just gotta bite my tongue. Okay, well, if we keep going up here, then this will be an insanely good draw on liquidity for New York session. TMP strikes again. Nice, Debbie. Well done. Let's do a huge whoop whoop, Debs. Very, very good. Profit 372. Nice, Robert. That is awesome. There it is. Very, very nice. Okay, so just took out the high. There's yesterday's new daily opening. Let's check the 5 minute quickly. What have we got on the 5 minute? Okay, some more liquidity just above. So we're gonna retrace in a little bit of a bounce that happened over there. Awesome sauce. And then yesterday's Asia high. I was about to be like, what? So that's yesterday's Asia high, and there's New York high. Cool. 1 minute, let's do. Okay. It's gonna retrace to the 50%. Not much higher, unfortunately. Thought. Okay, let's do this thing. What have we got here? Just took out the high retracement. If the entry was higher, I would be a little bit more keen on it. I don't know if it's going to retrace this far back down. 46, we have 15 minutes to go until 4. Let's have a quick look here. It's just going to keep running away. There's not much I can do about that, unfortunately. Yeah, this thing's running. Okay, let's see how we act here. We've just taken out a little bit more liquidity on the higher time frame just above this bob level. So let's see if we're going to be breaking out solidly or not. Please don't go to 480 before New York session. Neil, if it did have to, would you take it or not? Okay, like I said, now we've taken out a bunch of liquidity. Can't deny a change of character here. Well, technically we've had change of characters and break of structures this whole time, so. Question is how far back down are we potentially going to retest before we go back up? That's yesterday's new opening, well, new daily opening. Asia high is above. No, let's see what we get here. That was taken, that was taken, that was taken. Cool. You have a big dislike for Trading London session. I'll literally just watch it go there. Ah, okay. What happens if you throw enough books into the ocean? You get a tidal wave. Good. PWH, so I could see a drop now. What coins should my direct deposit go to? I have no idea. Debbie on fire, literally. $300 is $200, so I could retest that. Check the 5 minute. Ooh, that's a big wick. Sorry.
That's what she said.
Extreme cold, yes, this is the Nasdaq futures. Particularly caliente. Oh, thanks, Skeletor. You're so funny. I appreciate that. Oh, gosh. There we go. Entry zone 0.5, TP zone is at the 0. Shall we check? Let's check out TMP, shall we? Shall we? Interesting. So this is still saying bullish bias. Okay. What's up, Ninja? How you doing? Wait, Debbie, do you trade like Saturday and Sunday as well? Rejection offer that 50%. Was a decent rejection offer that 50% actually. Well, yeah, decent. Oh, Ninja, I'm good. Every day is a crypto day. Sorry, I'm contemplating if I take this TMP trade just because I can. Sully, who are you on Discord? Are you Sully050519? Yeah, I did, but I didn't catch it. Awesome, let me pop you a message. Gives my virtual hug because she looks like she needs it. Oh no, I'm actually chill. I'm a little bit grumpy because I did have a setup and it would have looked and it would have been good. Not look good, it would have been good, but it's fine. Just have to get out of my head today. The only problem is now I am considering doing some potentially dumb things. Where's but familiar to A++? I'll take it. Do. Oh, it's about to tap into that 50% on ES. And we have a little wickless over here. maybe today is not the day to be messing around with things, but screw it. Wrong thing to be thinking, but yeah. I keep catching loose, so my emotions are on edge. Literally, Ninja. It's yeah. Part of me is like, no, I must keep pushing through this, and another part of me is like, ah, screw it. It's not a good thing to be thinking, but yeah, screw it. Like, part of me wanted to actually just take the cell out of curiosity. I mean, at this point, what difference does it actually make if I had to take this? Sorry, I'm confusing people now. Looking at this potential bob trade, which is not ideal during London. You're looking to short on the opening into— what do you mean on the opening? Opening's already happened. Open happened— oh shoot, it is nearly 4 though. I don't trade at 4. Not pity, that would have hit stop loss. Oh, dagnabbit, why? Why is it 4 now? I don't take trades when it's 4. I would have sent that funded account to the grave 4 weeks ago. Not Chinese opening. What do you mean not Chinese opening it? I just remember you were setting a world record for best disciplined prop firm trader. Is the best disciplined or dumbest? I don't know, but here we go. Maybe a bit of both, huh? Got that. Nah, this thing might still be going back down. Potential double top and down. Chinese open, cool. Okay. Down to there. The sell indicator's still on. Down to 71, the worst habits a trader can do. Okay, sorry, Ninja. Oh my goodness. Maybe look to grab first and drop. Let's see. 25 seconds. Okay, here's the 4 a.m. Dagnabbit. Okay. Move that out the way. Sorry, just gonna turn TMP off for a second. These two. 1, 3. Okay. Maybe this is a little bit risky because it did just create an SMT, but this is an A+. Oh, the only problem is where the stop loss is for this. That is the only problem with this trade right here. That I don't like where the stop loss is. Am I just below where my final CP was? What? Who am I all dressed up for? You guys. But yeah, no one. Why is this Bob's Bob working out perfectly? Shoot. This one that I had set up here. Why did 4 AM have to be at this specific spot? I was so keen on it. I just don't like the 4 AM open because it can go and screw people for fun. Oh, guys, check out this trade on ES. I had this set up ages ago. Look at that. That would have been wick in up to TP. Damn. Oh well. Awesome. What's up, Juicing? How we doing? How's it going? Are you good? Oh, please just come back slightly. It's retracing on ES. Yeah, listen. Follow ES for a second. So ES has already gone where I wanted it to go. Shoot. Don't think this is gonna retest as much as I wanted to. Or it will. Yeah, let's see. Let's see what happens here. Don't you dare edge me. Don't. Okay, well. Let's see, like I said, the only thing I didn't like about this is where stop loss is. Stop loss below this level here would be better. But it is what it is. Like an M there. Okay, up here. I will move it. Just below the wick. Moving that to break even now. Okay. Let's see, for funsies today, because I can, because I've actually put 2 contracts in. If it goes up there, let's see. Just passed my 3rd next gen with that 4 AM spike. Hey, Shaki, what the heck, man? That is amazing! Whoop whoop coming away, give me a second. Break even, risk off the table, exactly. I don't know if I'm being greedy by potentially leaving this runner. What do you guys think? Leave a runner, take full TP. Leave a runner, take full TP. If Maya wins this trade, she said she'll cosplay for us. What would I even cosplay as? Careful, because I could cosplay as the most, like, weird thing. Hey, Captain Planet, what's up? Run. Okay, screw it. Let's take a little runner. But then I will follow. Gonna do a runner with a tight... Excuse me, sir. Take it. Take it. There we go. Okay. Oh, I forget about that. Can you imagine? Let's see, back up. So it hit there, so I'm moving it to 50%. Either it takes it or it doesn't. Let's see, at least I got a partial, so that's better than nothing. Monday I had 480. At 480? Excuse me? Now, if I'm gonna be greedy, I will be like up here greedy. Like that point, but even that, let's see, let's have rather a decent point of interest, right? Ugh. Ugh. I'm gonna be greedy, might as well do that. Okay, following. Give me a second. Let's just mark this out. And technically there. So there was that trade. Hello. So there was that one. Let's now see. Yeah, like I said, I'm just low-key following this up. I'm sticking... Let's do a solid bob level. I'm sticking with the bob level then. New daily. Okie dokie. To the middle point of that, I guess? No, I'm being greedy. I'm being greedy. I'm being greedy. That's more than enough. Let's leave it there. I want a tight limit for this. Eee. Maybe that's too tight, but let's go. Let's go, boys. Oh, come on, so close. Oh, I know exactly what it's rejecting off of. It was a tiny bit of a... I was actually thinking of putting my stop loss, not my stop loss, my TP at it. There was a tiny bit of a shelf further along to the left. Oh, this might come and take me out here. Let's see, like I said, this is quite... We might fit tight! I was not expecting that.
That's what she said.
Flip. Oh, that was good. That was good. Okay. Boom. That was actually a... Where did I have it? Like there, huh? Oh! Nearly a 5-hour freaking trade, everybody! Woohoo! Noise. Yeah, it was basically there, huh? Around there. Okay. I'm chuffed. I'm chuffed with that. That was awesome. Sure, yeah. Well, 4.5 hour. If I... There we go. Draw it properly. Yeah. Stop that. Go there. No, 4.86 hour trade. That was fun. That was awesome. 829.70. Cool. Update balance. Not that high, unfortunately, but still, it's better. 829.70. Okay, it gives us a little bit... Sadly, we didn't get to see you hit the banger. Honestly, where is Louis? Here we go, let's see. Oh, it might be headed all the way for Asia High. Nah, didn't quite come down that far. Okay then. That one makes no difference by the looks of things, so that's fine. I can risk 200 per trade. Okay then. Yeah, this one was just shy of 100. That one would have been teeny tiny. Okay. Let's take a little screenshot of that. Pop it in the Discord. You know what, I'll also send it. I'll send it to Louis. Okay. Awesome. Oh, now it's going up there. Ah, oh, pity. I had it at 3.5. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. Okay. Would have hit. Bob level would have hit. Let's see if it's going all the way for Asia High or not. If you can someone manage a payout from this account, you just maybe you go. You know, whenever you say that, do you know what I think about? Young for. Did I switch from using Project X to TradingView? I mean, I switched ages ago, if that's what you're asking. No, yes, maybe? Is that what you're asking? Gonna offer trip to Brazil after that trade. I bought 5 accounts and I was $300 away from my eval to pass them before you. I just checked trying to find a live channel. Is that who? Who said that? Who were you watching? I'm confused. But, you know what, let's take a breather. Let's not also get greedy. Let's do a whoop whoop, because we're in the green. Gotta be thankful for the green. Right? Oh. I'm sorry. You know what? To give them the middle finger, just go get 5 more accounts and use my discount code. No, I'm kidding. I'm messing with you. I'm sorry. That really, really sucks. To be fair, there were a lot of people that thought that the shorts were in play. I was one of them until I saw that volume imbalance on ES. And it looked really good. Freaking bobbed bob, man. Bobbed bob. Up to Asia high. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of a breather. You know what that then means, right? It means butterfly of the day. Butterfly of the day. Butterfly of the day. Butterfly. Butterfly. Butterfly of the day. And then we can look again. I'll obviously just de-risk a little bit so that yeah. De-risking is sometimes the way to go. Okay, let's see how it reacts off of that bob level. Oh. That was a solid rejection, guys. That was a solid rejection. Let's see how this reacts. This could be going back down. Could. Maybe that's pushing it. But we're having the volume during London today, which is awesome. A little bit of a double wick over here. Just keep an eye on it on the 5-minute. This was a banger bob to bob trade, so. Yeah, that was a solid bob to bob trade. Demonte, why? Young Ferb, that's interesting. Is there maybe just more information that you can get on TradingView? Does it just maybe make more sense to that's interesting. Huh. What, which broker were you using Project X with? It's a decent rejection right off of that level. Demon Day. Oh, flip. Sorry, that was good. Okay. Let's do butterfly of the day. I've worn this shirt a few times and I'm just wearing brown pants. Yeah, there's literally nothing special. I'm lazy and these were the first things that I saw, so I threw them on. Yeah. How does Maya get ready for streams? Ah, well, you see, I see pants, I see shirt, I throw them on, problem solved. I don't even brush my hair. I wouldn't have taken this, but this is looking like a win. So it's a nice little trending day today. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love these days. Okay, wait. Butterfly of the day. Butterfly of the day. I'm getting all distracted. Let's do this. Sally? What plant? What are you talking about? There's no plant here. What do you mean? What do you mean? What plant? What? What? Ah, I'm just messing with you. Anyways, okay, let's find a fire one today. A banger. Let's find a banger butterfly. I mean, these ones are pretty cool. These ones. Let's do the small striped swordtail. Are we ready? The foot reminds me of who? Okay, are we ready? The Day of the Jackal, what is that? Oh, it's a series. Never heard of that. Is that the right one? Yeah, small striped swordtail. I spelling sword like an idiot. There we go. Ow! Cool is this dude? Look at him! So, a small striped swordtail, although I don't think he's very small. 55 to 65 millimeter wingspan. Okay, smallish. Okay, so he visits flowers, often in the canopy, so difficult to approach closely. On mud puddles, very fast and elusive flight over treetops. Okay, so it's a little bit of a pain in the butt to get photos of. So distribution is coastal wooded savanna and low-veld forest from Eastern Cape, so from Port St. John's area, and southern to central KwaZulu-Natal, rare in Maputoland. Awesome. Habitat is forest edges, flatlands, and coast. Flight period is continuous broods in warmer months. Commoner. That's not right. Is that English? That's not right. Isn't it more common? What? Is that correct? Commoner earlier in the season, but often seen as late as May. Isn't it supposed to be more common? Doesn't matter. So his Latin name is Graphium polysenus. I don't know why they say it twice, or why they put it down twice. Like, why do you have to just make it difficult? But yes. The mark doesn't know anything. What? What did I just read? What did I just read? What did I just read? The assassin. Oh! Cyberpunk butterfly. About his New obsession. DeMonte came, messed things up, and left. The Thorn Princess. I'm gonna Google that. Demonte and Demon Time. Literally. He was on a mission today. He was like, I'm here, I'm gonna hurt some brain cells, and then I'm out. Oh, from Spy Family? Oh! Heck yeah! Sorry. I didn't clock who it was from. Yeah, from Spy Family. Heck yeah. She's cool as heck, I love her. Oh, check, she has even little butterflies in her... No, those are flowers. They messed it up. That one has butterflies. I do not have a dress. Not exactly like that. You know, ironically, I might be able to cosplay this, just not exactly, but something similar. Huh, interesting. I don't know if yeah, maybe something similar. I'll need that. We know I have headbands. I would actually be able to do that. I think. Maybe not exactly, like I said, but close. Anyways. Knee-high socks are a man's weakness. Neil, I'm gonna ruin that for you. I have the chicken ones. I actually have the chicken knee-high socks. Please say you know what that is. 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 You watch Spy Family? I do. Did I say Spy Kids? I hope I didn't. Spy Family, yeah. I already know Demond. I want to see the fit. Yeah. Robert, what is tattoo of? So this is just wait, maybe I'll be able to see better. Here. Sunny. I call him Sunny. Sunny the snail. And he has mushrooms. So this is more for my mom. And then there's flowers around it. I don't know if you can see the flowers. Yeah. You can see the flowers with a little bit of pink. Where I grew up, there were peach blossoms. Yeah, literally we had a little peach tree. And they were always like peach blossoms. And I loved it. Oh my, I have a set too. Oh, twinsies. Or into the chicken legs. I've done that as well. I love it. Oh, I'd go to the stables in it and people were like, what's wrong with you? And I was like, what do you mean? I love my chicken socks. So I could wear the fit with my chicken socks and ruin everyone's day. That's like the final offer. Can you imagine? He's back. I don't know if you guys know what we're talking about. No, man, don't take me to the page. Can mine go higher than that? Yeah. These trendy little chicken socks over here. These. I got a pair of these. I love it. But yes, and apparently so does Neil, so we're gonna have to go out one day and do matchy chicken socks and hurt everyone's brain. Microwave, what's up? Oh, you want to see what we're working with here? It was actually moving pretty decently. How you doing, Microwave? Cheers, TK King! Enjoy! And flap like a silly chicken. People be running away from us. You know what? I am so fine like that. Or fine with that, like that. With that. I'm so fine with that. Okay. I think it's about to break out. Why are you... Oh, why? But why? But why? But why? It was Tuesday. Why Yeah, Mikuave, yeah, it was pretty decent. He's got a bit of a 40 point move. Actually may have been the confirmation on the 5-minute for another Bob's Bob level. Let's see if it does. It might be going down slowly. Yeah, I don't know if I would have taken that. It looks like it's, yeah, it would have worked out, but I don't know if I would have taken that. Oh, okay, that makes sense. That makes sense then. I get it, I get it. Yeah, I at least had a decent win over there, so that was cool. That was cool. Hey, mobile detailing in Middle Tennessee. How you doing? That's a very long name. Okay, so 4:33. Checking out the time now. We're gonna retest all the way back down there or not. The 5 minutes look like so. Okay. Anyone else got into any other trades? Did you guys also just take a little bit of a step back now? What's been happening? Like I said, this is the potential next Bob to Bob level. I'm not 100% sure about that one though. No. I really like that one. Not the biggest fan of this one. Playing what? Was that supposed to be D&D? Or DVD? So you're in oil going short, thinking about a short maybe. Okay, so a lot of people agreeing with short. The only thing is these wicks over here. Could just be the retest. ES still looks like it's pushing up though, but sellers have definitely come to the party on NQ. Oh, okay, no, I thought, yeah, okay. Haven't heard of that. I was like, D&D? Yes? Got excited. Anyways, okay, give me a second. I need to quickly open the sliding door for Perry. I'll be right back. Like I said, this could now potentially be another Bob to Bob. But price action wise, these wicks right here. Let's see what happens there. This could be a little bit of a deciding point. Also want to see it take out this and take out one more thing over there. So there could be one more spike before it does actually go down. But it does look like the sellers have come back to the party. Okay, give me 2 seconds. Okay, I see we still have not really decided. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was terrifying to just read. Wow. Okay then. What's up, Hammer? How you doing? That was an insane comment. Yeah, wow, Deb. I feel a little bit terrified right now. But it's moving on. Looks like the cells are getting ready. Maya, can you see all the bands? Yes and no. I can kind of see the bands, yeah. Amos, you did the same trade as me. We bought. Heck yeah. Where did you buy it? I was threatening it. I was threatening it because it looked like it was about to edge me, and I was like, if you freaking edge me again, we're gonna fight. You know how fan should make him forget? Ew. Probably. We hit him like 8 times. I love it. Below entry at the world. Oh, so did you enter here on the breakout? Where the heck is your VWAP? Mine is all the way down there. Okay, retesting this zone. Let's see, looks like the buyers are back. So much for that. Asia high? Question mark? Kinda looks like it, hey? That one's a bit cheeky. First breakout and not the second push. Oh, okay. Everybody winning today. Yeah, I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Wins in the chat. Solly, did you take a trade? You did, right? Right? $441. Sure. See the volume spike. Okay. I forgot that the poll was still up. Needless to say, Longs then went and won that, but yeah. No, I'm just being a fan. Oh. Anyways, I don't know what that was. Moving on. Sorry, what time is it there, by the way? It's working all day on the roof. I'm tired. I need a little nap before New York. Oh my gosh. Hey, Van, what's up? How you doing? Silver? What you laughing at? Van, how's it going? How's it going? You good? Hi. Do 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 do. 6:43 p.m. Oh, that's not bad, right? Like dinner time. But then yes, New York is just the worst time for you to trade. That does suck. Sorry. Hey Kujan, what's up? How you doing? How's my dad? My dad's good. Okay. Kujan, you good? You doing well? You doing okay? I just finished season 1, episode 4 of The Librarians. Cool. Yes. I'm sorry, I thought you were an essay for some reason. Nah, Solly's in Australia. Was that like any hint of an Australian accent at all or not really? To be fair, apparently the South African accent has a hint of Australian accent, so I can just talk normally. Here come the shorts. I think. How's a 15-minute candle look? Okay, this 15-minute candle closed bearish. Sorry, I was very zoomed in there. Whee! Okay. Back down, retest, and go back up. Not the worst thing. 15-minute closed bearish. Here we go. Might be the start of the move. Let's see if we can break below the support level. After you're gonna buy the dip now. Robert, you said it's bouncing just below that high. Double tap on the 1 minute. No spamming, please, or else I shall put you in a timeout. Just saying. People already think you're Australian until you say here. How do Australian say here? Here. No. How do Australians say here? Yeah. Shoot. Here we go. There's the potential drop back down. Yep. I don't know, sometimes you put a little twang on it. Just watching it on ES as well. Just to make sure. Oh, fluffers. Robertson a short. NQ finally dropping? Kind of. Yeah. It's going bob to bob. Properly. I don't know if this is gonna even bother retracing. Ah, flipping inverse fair value gap over there. That should have been the... That should have been the clue? That's not it. The confirmation. Oh man, these hiccups are driving me crazy. One double bottom over there. Tapped into it. I mean, don't get me wrong, we obviously haven't had a change of character or break of structure yet, but... Like I said, the full retest of the 15-minute, the 50% is at just above 368. Robert, do you have a tight stop? Like I said, the 15-minute range, the 50% pullback would be at 368. No. Sorry, just thinking. Yep. All in preparation for Christmas. Out $20 loss. No ways. Oh, please don't say it just ticked you out. Now it's going back down again. Please don't say it did that to you. Like, that is rude. That is so rude if it flipping did that. $4.53, nearly at 5. A little bit of a support level here. Let's see. Was a potential little shorty short here, but we have hit that supply area. Up below retested. Now this could be the proper drop. Hey, sharpening, thanks. Yeah, had a really nice trade here. Literally wicked in and went up. Was awesome. We appear, well, I say that we had all of this volume. Well, I say we appear to have lost some volume now, but let's see, this could also just be a little bit of a fake out before we keep going. At some point you think you're gonna up your contract. Oh yeah, sharpening. So the plan is, it's just obviously it's freaking slow to get there. When I'm back up to 49, I want to start risking 100 again. So this one I actually risked around 50, if I'm not mistaken, just shy of 50. So luckily we went up decent-ish amount, right? And I left it trailing, so I actually had 2 cons in. I think it's all down. Waiting to see what's happening with the 10 executive cost control visit to China. You better be healthy, damn. Oh, it just needs to start pushing a little bit more, right? Which is sometimes a bit hard. Sorry, I have so much here. Okay, there we go. Thanks, sharpening. I appreciate it. It's who? Started from the bottom. Yeah, that is hilarious. Are we supposed to know who you are? Joven? Hi. Welcome. I'm confused. Anyways. The visit to China includes Iran oil stuff. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Got it. What's happening with all of that? Is that... Yeah. Is it all done now? Is it still happening? I've kind of stopped looking at all the... Hello, dude. Scared the living daylights out of me. I have a gecko just chilling here on the wall, but he was so still. I have to question my life. Have you not seen that video? No. What? Okay, you're gonna have to send it. What video is it? It's just a gecko. Yeah! But where'd he go? I was gonna take a photo of him. He left me alone. And he was cute as heck. I actually wanted to show you guys the little gecko, my little gecko friend. Okay. Lost momentum. 2 minutes to go until the new hourly. Let's see what we get. I thought it was Manolo at the window. Duh. Oh my gosh, I would have screamed so loud. Yesterday I lost internet just entering trade. When I was able to get back in, I lost $900 for a moment and ended up 19 profit. Oh my gosh, Robert, but flipping, I think you deserve a whoop whoop for turning that around. What the heck? Well done. That is insane. Chin up, chest out, Robert. You got this. Okay. If ES goes up to tag that 50%, it ain't gonna be good over here. Geckos are creepy. I just started trading futures about 4 weeks ago, still learning. Were you trading something else before futures? Okay, here's the new hour. Thanks. Okay. Thanks. Oh, flip. John says don't jump in. Robert, swing trading? Okay. But what? What were you swing trading? That's a shortened version of it. There's a funny build-up. Okay, 501. Let's see when it takes out the wickless if it's gonna continue back up. Yeah, I don't like how slow it's being. When it's sometimes slow like this, it's kind of accumulating and then it goes back up. I've had that a few times. Not always, obviously, so maybe I'm gonna be wrong. Maybe it's just gonna retest slightly and then go back down, or it's just gonna drop down solidly. But I think if it's going up further than I want it to go. Deluxe. I'm sizing up AMD for short next week and I saw it at 48. Doing my short setup in 48 should hold. It's a low, so I bought it. Just gonna would probably bring the whole market down with it, to be honest. AMD is looking really strong. They have been extended. Ay, you guys. Okay, so 502. I mean, it is going bob to bob level, just slowly. Just slowly. Okay, starting to pick up a little bit on volume again. Emma, what's up? No, still waiting for that retest, which it is doing actually slowly. Check, here's the retest of that 15-minute range. Could sell down to that retest. How long have I been trading? Robert, just over a year. Uh, 29362. Oh, yeah. Might be a good jumping point for a long. Could jump. Yeah. Not bad. This is a 50% retracement at just above 368. So let's see what we get here. 504. The month on AMD comes down to where to open it. Get to know him. Sorry, be nice. It's just, it's like, it almost looks like a vine to be fair, but yeah. Monthly candle closes with a tall wick. Got 4 hours, gonna drop down solidly. Wasn't any way for me to get into this. Drop down and now slowly down we go. 505. Let's see if we potentially get another opportunity. This would have taken me out. Oh no, it wouldn't have. Oh, would have been close to taking me out though. Would have just missed taking me out. Oh, Harry just dream whooped. Okay, Debbie, to be fair, I don't know who Joven was. Nikuave just sent me... Yeah. Just sent me the video now. Ah, okay. It's the rubbish, guys. You're going to get a dry erase board and write down our guesses. I should, actually. Hey troops, only with 2 contracts unfortunately, so I took a little partial at the top and then I left a runner. Actually, yeah, so I then left a runner and just followed with a tight stop loss, so it took me out there. Went back into the short, up so far, increased stop loss. Okay. I had 1,000 contracts. What did you just say? Arthur? You had 1,000 contracts. Anyways. Back further down. Hasn't tapped into there yet. Tapped into this little bit of a rejection level. Yeah, shoot. Nope. Not an A setup for me again. Can't wait for you during the winter here up north. You're gonna be hidden under a blanket. No, is it bad, Hammer? What's the temperature like right now? Hold on, I always struggle to hold runners. It stems from trust issues. Trips, yeah, sometimes I also do, but that's why, you know, I took the partial, so I was like, it's fine. And the second it went above, I basically moved my stop loss to where my original TP would have been, so nothing lost. So what difference does it make? And then I just followed it pretty close. I think you that there for the first time in 2 weeks, and somehow we jumped from 2.3 to 2.9. Like how? What? So you use a 0.5 retrace to go through, basically. Christmas tree is going to continue. Okay. 23. That's not bad. 23 is not bad. That being said, should we check what the temperature is here right now? 709. Current temperature. Oh, it's 24 here, so it's not that different, except I have a feeling you probably have a very icy, yeah, icy cold wind. 1 to 2 R. Sharpening is normally my R. This one was actually a 4.86 R trade, which was cool. Well, it's 10 here right now, and we're complaining about the gold. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. Oh dear. It's about to get entertaining up in here. It's just not coming back up high enough. Well, that being said, if I'd use this one, let's see. Nah. Nah, just not coming back up high enough. This one didn't retest high enough either, so it's just not coming back. This is a slow grind down. I mean, if I really wanted to be cheeky, I could market it until we reach that 368 level, but that's cheeky. Oops, what happened? What happened? Okay, 10 past. Like I said, 368, 364. Shoot, maybe I should have just marketed in. It would have been cheeky though, but who knew? Okay, this is just running away now. Here we go. Oh no, someone said 362. Hey, I was gonna say 352 is also a bit of a shout for a TP. Take your pick. Take your pick, Solly. Like, at this point, if you were speaking another language, it would make sense. I got a cheeky little short. Nice. That's the first time I would have about like anything below 30 is not my thing. Okay, I've been up for an hour and a half because this bird has not stopped chirping for the last 2 months. I need to invest in it. No, sis, speak Wave. Can't do that. Shame on you. Oh, we're so close. Oh, rejection off of this volume imbalance. I wonder how far up it's gonna reject. That little, what's it called? It's called a hammer, hey? This type of doji. Just chose my sleep. I've done worse for my family for that. 45 we start noticing the ground temperatures, the burning. Yeah. Don't quite have that volume. Let's we see this. Ah. Damn. There was a little Wiccan, but again, this little wiki wick over here is not ideal. It's okay. We proceed. Hey Mike, am I funded? Yeah, this is my funded account. What's up? I've been in 44-degree heat and it's too much. It's not going to reject. It's cold. Hammers are great on the daily chart in certain spots, not so good on the 1 minute chart. What do they tell you on the daily chart? Out of curiosity. If you don't mind. Again, curiosity. Is it gonna edge the midpoint? Trading with the trend is something I'd have to get used to. Wasn't I saying in the 300s? I think you were. Oversimplified, it signals a reversal. Okay. Makes sense. Like, this made me hesitant to potentially take this because of this. Like, that is a solid rejection. Might not reject high, but it's still rejecting off of it. Hey Veda, what's up? How we doing? I'd actually be more comfortable with the entry being there. If I'm being honest. Even that might come and wick out. Yeah, plus volume 6.5, so didn't quite reach there. Not alone possible, and I'm still my biggest weakness. My mind always focuses on mean reversion over continuation. Down to still normal mean reversion. I think I swing trades. I have plenty of time to wait for it to reverse, but on day trading I need to be up at end of day, so my approach needs to be very different. I think that's why day trading makes me shy away. Oh, that's interesting. That makes sense. It's a whole different... How do I put this? It's a whole different ball game. Sorry, just looking at this in the volume. A personal life margin to swing trade, but still haven't done it once. 962. Yeah, Kujin, was you that mentioned the 6.2 level. Sorry, I'm deep in thought. That's why I'm being a little quiet right now. Nah, this is going down. Missed me. And if this goes back up now, we might be going up a little bit higher. change on the weekly chart. Here we go. Yeah, this is the little drop down. Just missed. Pity, pity. Oh well. Down we go. I wouldn't be surprised. Where is VWAP anyways? Oh my gosh. Okay, VWAP's all the way down there. Okay, 519. New balance. It's a quick fix. Sorry, give me 2 seconds. Be right back. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's about to tap into the 50% of the 15-minute range. Let's see what it does there. That's at the 368, so it could bounce further down to that 362 level. But let's see if it then goes continuation or if we're breaking down. Ooh, okay, I see we tapped into the 50%. I just would really struggle to go with the trend because I know reversals always do. I need taking a trade before a certain time of day, like 2 hours. I thought, no, it's not. VWAP is literally down here. There it is. By 240. Okay, tapped into that 50%. It's too close to Bob level, or else I would probably be like, yeah, this could go further down. Nah. 15-minute 50% retracement. That's where we're at. Hey Rolf, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? Another tap into their awesome sauce. But theoretically it should go a little bit higher, so maybe we could still go down one last time, but probably not. Let's see a little bit of a retest, a little retracement, 523. Um. Oh, damn. Okay, then. This is a little bit of a deciding point, yeah. Sorry.
Nice.
Oh, flip. Too funny. Way too funny. All over here. Sorry guys, I'm just thinking. So FYI, the ES daily candle did not even close below the lows of the high mark. So it's not even a valid reversal. Oh, thanks, Sharp. Like I said, so for me, this isn't a reversal. This is a retrace. I'm zooming out a little bit. So here's the full range. This is the 15-minute range. Here's the 50% retracement. So I have a feeling it just kind of went slowly down 50% and now we could potentially be going back up. Maybe I'm wrong, but yeah, this is literally wicked into the 50% retracement. This could start to go back up to Asia high. NQ did, so the charts are split. Really checky S's, to be fair. Let's see the range on ES. Well, tapped into the 50% range on ES, went further down. Okay, ES could be actually seeking out VWAP by the looks of things. No, I have a feeling this is going back up, but I could be oh so very wrong. Right, we shouldn't be going off of feelings. Like I said though, yeah. Don't be going off of feelings, that's a bad idea. Umka, where's my headband? It's right there. Right on the bobble. What? Because we know that the option price wants making 8. I did not full send the rest of my account, but I'll take the compliment. This is cheeky. Feelings are bad. I'm going off for retracement from the short position tonight. Okay. Double top on the 1 minute. Sorry. Should know better. Whee! Hasn't taken out that level on ES yet. I'm contemplating this one. one could be an okay one to take. So he took out a little bit of liquidity there. Definitely not A+. Aw, it's your son's 6th birthday. That's sixth birthday. That is awesome. Next time it doesn't have any real direction right now. Nvidia moving sideways at all-time highs. Ooh. Ooh, that's a little bit tricky. Is this a small risk? Let's see. Oh yeah, it's itty bitty risk. Should I take this itty bitty risk? It's $13. Oh damn, no, that's instant stop loss. Reject, 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 reject. Come on. Go, 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 go. Yeah, reject. Break even. Okay. Whoop whoop slash I may need a change of pants after that. What the heck? Whew! What? That was insane! Woo! Okay then. That was a little cheeky win. Oh my gosh. Like I said, that was a little cheeky win right there. 853. Tornado. Woo! No, I don't know about that. I don't know. I would have only let it run if I had like 2 cons in it. Definitely didn't have 2 cons in that. That was way too close for comfort. That was way too close for comfort, I think. Damn. Just damn. Okay, well. Anyways, moving on. I'm sorry, I'm pulling a basic things. In the middle, and then jump in. That candle was almost personal, right? And you keep rinsing and repeating until the trend is over, basically sharpening. Sorry, that was rough as heck. Anyways. You're welcome. You're still... Okay, anyways. Ooh. Now, I think I'll be pushing... literally pushing my luck if I take something else. That was a little bit of insanity. What just happened there? I mean, that was a quick little 2-hour trade. Questioning all my life choices after that thing. Wow. Can you zoom out, please? Yes, I do. Here's the 15-minute range GAN box. Sorry, the 0.5 is this line at 3.68. 3.368. What do you think I maybe should have held all the way? Can you imagine? I'm very thin on both ES and NQ. Okay. I had it. Sorry. Just a little too much. As long as volume continues to rise, the move will continue also. Oh, shoot, man. Look at it go. It's pushing solidly on NQ, not that much on ES. I thought you were frozen, then saw the eye blank, my bad. I apologize. If I was paying attention, I could have jumped in where you got in. Nah. If I had 2 cons, I would have left another runner, but I didn't want to... Didn't want to do that. Okay, like I said... I mean, there's a possible another entry at what level is this? 395. Just re-entered that consolidation zone. It's not a bad one, actually. Really not a bad entry. Let's see if this goes all the way up to hit TP. Okay, okay, okay. 2 whoop whoop today. Can't be upset with that. Here we are going back up. Asia high, New York high over there. Hit a little bit of a zone here. Okay, ES is starting to push for the buys now, so that's good. That's good. That's promising. To be fair, I probably would have been trailing how I was earlier, and it would have been quite tight. So this might be coming back down to have taken me out. You already know if you went 2 contracts, it would have spiked down. Oh no, 100%,
That's what
Zolly.
she said.
It's gonna take that high to make a higher high. Yeah, okay, this probably would have taken me out here. So, yeah, maybe would have doubled. It's fine. Like I said, this was technically a little bit of a cheeky trade. I didn't care much if it was a win or a loss, but to then go and make it a greedy win made no sense. I might actually call it there because I feel like anything else is pushing it now. I'll still sit and let's watch if this continues higher to aim for these highs. The TP would have been at 465. The profit on the 15-minute, the take profit for this trade on the 15-minute is at 465. So let's see if we continue up higher or not. Okay, I'll place this again. I don't think I'm gonna take any more trades for London though. This was a banger day, and we still have New York later. Real life advice. Woo! It was an intense day. Good grief. Proud of you for finally showing how women really are. I'm greedy, but I wasn't greedy, so that contradicts what you just said. Just saying. Anyways, 391 is 0.618, you're curious. What if it goes back down there? Is that what you're curious about? Sharpening? No, it doesn't look confusing on time. Go back to sleep, you're fine. Now 392. Robert, what was TP amount today? What are you asking? How much am I up today? Not that much, probably $100 and something. Maybe 150? What was I on? Yeah, probably just shy of $150 today. Yeah, I wonder how often the golden pocket gets tagged in day trading. How do I put this? I think... I mean, a lot of people swear by it, right? For a reason. I think it can get missed often, but when it does get tagged, it works out really well. But I think there's a lot of days that you're not going to get a trade. Then again, I haven't really used it, so I can't speak. Does anyone here trade using the golden pocket? Good night and don't do it again. Enjoy this and you need more people. Okay. How often do you enter a trade with 0 drawdown? Not that often. What do you mean by like 0 drawdown? Like kind of what happened here where it wicked in and then went up? Is that what you mean? Theoretically, this also wicked in. It got very close to stop loss though. Do I trade Orb New York? I don't trade using it. I use it as a little bit of a confluence sometimes. Yeah, but I don't necessarily trade the 5-minute orb. So I use the 5-minute orb. I don't necessarily use the 5-minute orb strategy, but I do take note of where the 5-minute orb is because sometimes I use it to see if it rejects off that 50%, see where the volume's headed, things like that. Ah, so just shy. Yeah, okay. So $840. I'm using my golden bar. I can keep up with all the different names. Oh, the one. In swing trading, the golden pocket is OP. Am I being dumb? What does OP stand for? Overpowered. Okay, thank you. I was like, I know OG. What does OP mean? It was like a cool gangster name or something. Anyways, overpowered, that makes sense. And this channel. Damn. Okay. Now we are at a little bit of a consolidation zone back in this zone here. Yes, he's talking about the fib retracement. Sorry, Debbie. You are a fossil. Even I know OP and I don't game like that. You know what? You know what? No one asked for your opinion, Solly. Anyways, here we go. Let's see what this does. OP stands for so for California. So it was around 368 before it took off. Yeah. So literally the 50% retracement level on the 15-minute is where it literally wicked in. This white line here is the 50% on the 15-minute. Okie dokie, guys. Before I get tempted to do something dumb again and I push my luck again. Well, around the area I called 40 minutes ago, yeah? Okay, guys. Let's call it a London there. I'm not gonna say call it a day because I'm still back for New York. So a day for some of you, a London for me. I'm gonna call it a London for me today. You're really curious on this pullback though. So sharpening, if you're back for New York, I'm gonna keep this where it is. I'm gonna keep even the 15-minute one where it is. So when we come back for New York session, we can see how this all worked out. Okay, so join me for the beginning of New York session. We can go through how it all worked out. Maybe it worked out beautifully, maybe it didn't. Let's find out, and we can go through why or what or how, or yeah, where we see it rejected off of. But yeah, I love you guys madly. Thank you. That was... I'm surprised I'm not like sweating a little bit from that one. It was a fun day today. It was a really, really fun day today. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. You guys are awesome. As always, don't forget to press that like button. And if you guys want discounts, you know what my code is. Okay. Teach my all caps, no gaps. Yes, that's about it. Okay.